And with each year now, like 26, 27, 28, I felt the weight inside me more heavier. If you are a girl, you have an ambition, you have a dream, you want to clear one exam, but with your preparation, you are attached with the fear of getting married. This video is for you. Today, in my 34, when I travel back to my 20s, you know what? I realized I lived my entire 20s with fear. Fear of disappointing others, fear of failure, fear of not being good enough, multiple fears. But after age 25 especially, one fear which silently haunted me was fear of marriage. And every time I got an update from my sister that there is some inquiry about me or my biodata is being forwarded, they need my profile picture. Oof. I honestly could not stand strong to fight against it and to cry out loud, let me focus with my studies, let me clear this exam. I could not muster that courage. But silently for next few days, I went into an emotional breakdown. I found myself trapped. What if I get married before clearing this exam? This costed me a lot in my upcoming attempt and I was not able to achieve my everyday's target. If you can relate with me now, I want to make your life easier. I got married in my 33. Life went really good. I cleared CA in my 31. You know what? Timeline is attached by society for us, but at the same time, our timeline is already destined by God. Let God take control of things which currently is not your priority in life. पहले ना आपको समझना होगा your priority is to clear your exam just because you hold a dream, you are working for it. You can't afford to bring the fears which will not even materialize in the upcoming time. It's not necessary the biodata which got forwarded that is going to turn into a marriage. It's not necessary the guy you are asked to meet will turn around into a marriage. So this is what I sit and reflect and I feel I could have made my younger self feel more comfortable, more light and just to surrender things when it's not really happening. Now I'll share something which how my personal story connected here. Even after qualifying, definitely I affected my studies. When I was preparing for CA finals, I used to reach out to tarot reader and I asked with them, either tarot reader or astrologer, ask for my horoscope. When is it destined for me to get married? And they used to say Shalini, there are high chances December 21 you will be engaged. And if it is December 21, November 21 का जो attempt रहता था ना, I used to sit with my books and these fears always surfaced in my energy level. I started feeling drained emotionally. I started going slow. I started just visualizing a future which was full of negativity. Now, after clearing CA, I still remember it was year December 21, December 22. And my father, he came and told me that there is a biodata they have received. I still remember it was Sunday. And he told me that they are going to the astrologer for the Kundli match. And again, I was not prepared for the marriage. This time I was not prepared because I just started my career and I was already, after becoming CA, there has been so many years of career gap. Right now, I don't want to. Being an ambitious girl now, I was never settled with for me, the priority was my career professional life. And again, that heaviness, fear, everything popped in. I simply went, I closed my door and I sat with my God. I had conversation with him. I said him what my problem was. I told I need time for another 6 months so that in 6 months mein na, I just grow, put all my energy and efforts towards my career and एक बार ये एक settlement आ जाएगा career में, then I'm open to get married, फिर आप करा दीजिएगा. I did not say anything to my father because I was like already 31 by then and इतना strength नहीं था कि उनको मना कर दे on face. So by evening when my father returned home, he came and told me, बेटी अभी तो पंडित जी मना कर दिए हैं. He told कि next 6 months के लिए अभी तुम्हारे लिए शादी का नहीं देखने. It might turn into a negative circumstances. And I was like 6 months is what that astrologer told to my dad. Super happy. I just looked out towards the sky and I screamed, thank you, thank you, thank you, Bhagwan Ji. I that day realized how quickly, fastly our prayers are being heard. Definitely our parents are playing their role. They want good for us, for our future. Being a girl, they definitely want us to get married and settled in our personal life as well. But अगर आप ready नहीं हो ना, please understand, you don't have to attach yourself with all the fears जो अभी तक exist भी नहीं कर रहा है. This fear is just illusionary which blocks you emotionally, mentally. ये आपको ना अपने करियर में काम करने के लिए एनर्जी पुट करने दे रहा है, neither it's allowing you to think about your personal life. It's trapping you with its negativity. In my 20s, I wish somebody told me this. शालिनी, जब ये मैरिज मटीरियलाइज होगा ना, उस टाइम पे सोचेंगे what you have to do or what we can do to cancel or postpone this marriage. Right now you focus, let things happen. Background में जो चल रहा है चलने दो. Whatever is your concern, connect with your God, talk to him and leave it. Life में हमेशा याद रखना, things are neither in control of our parents, nor society, nor us. The master of our destiny is divine. The caretaker is divine. Our superpower is divine. The moment I started living my life with him now, connecting every day with each fear, whenever I get into any fear, I just talk to him. My life started seeming more happier, more aligned and more peaceful. If you have already crossed your 25 and you hear communication regarding your marriage from your family members, society, just don't affect yourself. Right now, if you hold a dream, you have a goal to clear an exam. Your time, energy should be invested completely towards. We miss out the time and opportunity we have in our present moment just by overthinking, living a life which has not even converted into reality. I did these mistakes, after 25, it contributed a lot towards my emotional and mental blockage. I want to save you from this. Now, when I have already experienced my 20 and even 3 years of my 30s now, I realize allow life to unfold each day. You have to just contribute in taking action, giving your best, showing up every day. Stay positive, stay hopeful. Whenever you get these fear or you get any communication and that is against something you desire for, all you need to do is you just need to sit silently, relax and talk to your God. Tell him all the problems you are currently holding about your fear and ask him what you want. If you want your marriage to be shifted by another 6 months or 1 year, just talk to him. And at the same time, many a times life takes a positive turn once a girl gets married. So there are people I can't say exact count, but 10% of the population has also succeeded in life just by getting married, and there they got a good amount of support from the partner. So the partner's energy contributed in the result exam she was working for. There are many reasons, trust me, because of which I wasted my 20s. Definitely it has been an experience. It was something for a higher purpose, I believe, but my 20s could have been better if I had a mentor who supported my mindset that time in a right direction. So yes, allow yourself to dream, think big. You are ambitious, surrender your marriage to God. And whenever you are taking a marriage decision, you can ask God if this is right for you or not. Talk to him, Leave it on his hand. All the best for your future. Stay connected forever. My experience, my journey will be a light for your path too. Thank you.